Hey, what's up guys, Adil Kaudar from Extra Coding YouTube channel is back again. So friends, in today's video we're gonna learn kwargs. So in my previous video we learned args, that was arguments. But in this video we're gonna learn kwargs, that is keyword arguments. Okay. So here basically it is star star kwargs. So as we call that args as star operator, you can call it as double star operator. Okay, so here let's make a function define, and here let's make a function abc. Okay, and let's use double star kwargs. Here also you can pass anything you want, but kwargs is conventional, so it would be better that you pass kwargs here. Okay, here let's return kwargs. Now print here abc, and then here kwargs take argument as dictionary. If you remember, args take argument as a tuple, right? But here kwargs take argument as a dictionary. So here we have to pass it something like this. So let's say a is equals to 2, b is equals to 4, c is equals to 6, and something like that. Okay, let's run our program. See, it is returning a dictionary A, 2, B, 4, C, 6. So here it takes a dictionary. If you want, you can print the type as well, but I don't think there's a need of checking the type because it is already in key value pairs, as you know. See, it is returning class dict, right? And here if I pass a parameter, let's say num. Okay, so now if I run it, you'll see that it'll throw an error. See, missing one required position argument num. So why is it throwing an error? As you can see here, we have passed the arguments in key value pair, right? There's a key, there's a value, there's a key, there's a value, there's a key, there's a value, right? But as you can see, num is a normal parameter, so it will take a num, it will take a number as an argument, right? So we need to pass a number here, so let's say 5. Now you'll see that it is still working the same way, right? But here if I return num, you'll see that it is returning 5 because now 5 has assigned to this num. Okay, so if you have passed a parameter, you need to give an argument for that, right? And here if I write num after this, so you'll see that it will throw an error, invalid syntax. See, here let me show you. Even if I write here, see, it will still throw an error that it is an invalid syntax. You need to write it before kwargs only. If you are making a normal parameter, you have to write it before kwargs, or else it will throw an error. So hope this is clear to you. Okay, so as in quark, as in args, we do not need to put the star operator again and again. We only have to write the this which we have written after the star operator. Here also you do not need to pass this double star operator again and again. You only need to write this quarks or anything that you have written after double star operator. It will work better. Okay, but now if I have a dictionary, so d is equals to a dictionary, and here we have these values only. Control V here. Let's change this into this. Here. Okay. So as you can see, we have a dictionary here. And here, if I pass this dictionary, then it will create the same problem that was created in args, in arguments, star operator, right? With list. As we pass the list, just like that, it was throwing an error. We need to unpack the list, right? So here also we need to unpack the dictionary. So for unpacking it, we will use double star operator here. So see, right? So for unpacking a dictionary, we need to use double star operator. So if you remember, this was the parameter and these were the arguments, right? So this was double star operator with parameter, and this was double star argument, double star operator with arguments, right? So hope this is clear to you. Okay, so that was it for today's video. See you soon in the next video, guys. Thank you so much.